Hey guys, just want to do a quick video on this giant Enigma het raptor, Pos het blizzard. Got her from Geckos. She's gravid now to a snow lavender raptor. She does not have any snow in her, which is interesting because she's really white. Looking forward to seeing what she throws. So she's laid 2 clutches, 4 good eggs. It's her first year breeding, so far so good. She has what looks like 2 more in there. Yeah, stay tuned to see the babies from her, and some of those will be for sale, but probably gonna hold back a dreamsicle, maybe Nova. So, all right, thanks. Like and subscribe.